Yeah, so right now I'm down at Eglinton West. You see me I say Toronto. You don't know, little Jamaica we call it, you know? Yeah man, we're there to check out this grocery store, Jamaican grocery store. I talk about Caribbean Farmers Fresh grocery store. Yeah man, so we just give like a quick preview of what I go on there and what they bring in. Just opened up a few months ago, so we're gonna show you what I go on. Alright? Yeah.
Man of the closest thing to Jamaica and I look on it, man.
Nice jerk chicken, eh?
Yes, man, some of the best, man. So about 1695, Oakwood and Eglinton, Caribbean Fresh Farm. We're not much long open. You just come down and see the place because let me tell you, if you never go to Jamaica, we have the best thing from Jamaica right here.
Alright.
And even if you go there, come and see what we got. Bless up the picture, man.
Yeah man. Yeah man.
The show never stop, you know.
Never stop.
It must go on.
For real man.
Some of the best, if not the best, right here at, as we never stop.
Yeah.
Eglinton and Oakwood. So you have to support. Farm Fresh, don't know. Big up yourself.
Yeah man, how you say little Jamaica?
Look at Jamaica, man, you're all tight with them.
For real.
It only can get better.
For real.
No, sister, no, alright, you don't want no chicken. No, in the house, you know, man, because you don't know. Everybody have to live.
For real man.
You know? Same way we do it, man, you know?
So,
anything you want, almost, straight out of Jamaica.
right yourself.
Right, just so it there, man.
For real man.
So if you can't take the plane to go down there, this is the closest thing.
You get all the Jamaican stuff.
All of your Jamaican stuff, man. From crackers, yam, banana, we have all box juice.
Yeah. So you get any ground provision yourself?
Yes, man. We get pumpkin, we get yam, we get banana, we get plant, coconut. You know the regular thing them what you get.
For real man.
All right, everything, man. Right here, right there. And as we said, fresh from yard.
Straight from yard.
Straight from yard.
You can get all the seasoning, your spice,
all
everything.
of your seasoning what you need, whether you need jerk seasoning, chicken seasoning, any kind of seasoning you want.
Yeah.
All your tea bags, them, all of the tea bags. We have peppermint, we have busy, we have arrowroot. You name it, we have it here.
Right yourself.
Right, just so it, man. All you have to do is just come and look. If you
Alright.
can't come today, come tomorrow.
Come tomorrow.
You see it, we're there here from Sunday to Sunday.
So when you do like jerk chicken and them thing there?
Yes, man. On a regular Saturday or so.
Yeah.
We have jerk chicken. We work on the jerk pork. We're gonna have some of the best jerk pork ever.
Oh,
but the
wow.
jerk chicken right now that I run study Fridays and Saturday. Next week we out here big because we have a little event up on the scene the next week.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do down here. Rasfest up there so next week. So we're there so same way.
Oh, wow. So like what go on? You just opened the store just up tomorrow?
Yes, man. About a month and a half now, 2 months ago.
Okay,
I'll
so
spexing up here, you know.
floor 98.
Flow 98.7.
Right, that's up.
The right, that's up.
Yeah.
About a month and a half now, so. You know, anything you not see in the store, we have it. So we just take our time and put up everything on the shelf. And,
Nice.
you know,
You can get the Caribbean area, Jamaican.
mostly a Jamaican grocery. Like as me say still, you know, we have Canadian food too. We have everything because we're a diverse community.
Right.
But you don't know, so yeah, we big up the Jamaican items because I in a little Jamaica with it.
In a little Jamaica.
So we have to get what the people them want. You know what I say?
For real.
Big up on yourself and come in and check it out.
Yeah, man, because as you see, you know, right outside, you see, you have a jerk pan right there, so.
Right out the door, yes,
You can get
you
a
don't have
jerk
to worry
chicken.
about transportation because all of the bus them run, yes, sir.
Yep.
Right at Woodcourt and Eglinton, you have about 3 different buses, yes, sir. Or if you drive even better, all to the Saturday, you know, have to pay for park on the side. A free parking.
Free
today,
parking,
you know what I say?
yes.
So you don't have to worry if you drive, you can park anywhere on the side of Eglinton or park on the back street over there, so.
Right.
As well as we have the peer parking right there, so.
Yeah.
I know much about what? $50 for your hour or something like that.
Which is good.
Yes.
Which is good.
Which the option is there because you don't know nothing is for free still, you know
Exactly.
what I say? So you either can park free or you can park in the parking lot or you can park round at the back, you know what I say?
Right.
And I just so we do it right there.
Yeah, man, you just encourage everyone to just come on and come check
Yeah,
it
man,
out,
come spread the love, you know what I say? Because you don't know at the end of the day we're all one, whether you're Jamaican, Canadian, Guyanese, Trinidadian or whatever.
No matter where you come from.
Just come and spread the love
Yeah.
because we have a little bit of everything for everybody.
Exactly.
You know what I say?
Yeah, man, I was saying, we bring yard abroad.
Yeah, aye.
Yeah, man, we bring yard abroad.
Trust me,
so.
because you don't know, no, everybody can go a yard at the same time. You know?
Exactly.
But we have it here for you if you want it.
Exactly.
As me say, it's not going to Jamaica, but it's the closest thing to Jamaica.
We can get the good Jamaican produce. Like
Yes.
even the yam, as we say.
The good
banana,
yam.
Everything.
The good banana, the good, some sweet potato in there.
Yeah.
I tell you, I never see them potato there before.
Nice.
What? I'll
Yeah,
put
man.
them in the oven, bake them in the oven, you know, man.
And the avocado pear.
The pear, yes, the
Yes.
avocado, them. We have the two kind, you know, the little one where we have up here.
Yes.
And we have the big one, them, you know.
Right.
We have all the purple pear, them, you know.
Right.
Just come in. Yes, General. Yes, man, big up yourself. Yes. We just give thanks, you know, because we're there for the people, you know.
Yeah, man.
Without the people, we are nothing, you know what I say?
Yes,
You don't know when you come here and you shop, you get a full customer experience, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we appreciate everybody who come, whether you spend $1, whether you spend $2 or not.
Yes.
Just come out and check we out, you know.
Yeah, of course.
And the feedback is important because, you know, we have almost everything. We don't have everything. And if you come here and you don't see something, talk to us.
And you
if you
get
get good treatment, talk to us. If you get bad treatment, talk to us.
For real,
Because, you know, sometimes we're busy and you might think we ignore you, but we're here for you.
Exactly.
Because the customers is our #1 variety.
True.
So, just come through and deal with the thing.
Yeah,
If you don't see me, you will see Andrew the boss.
Right.
Me are the jerk, man, you know?
Yeah, man, you take care of the chicken.
Yeah, we just big up yourself, man.
Yeah, man, and you don't know you got already in the family.
Same way, God.
Bless up, man.
Love, man, and happiness.
For real, man. For
Be
real.
all to everyone, you know?
Alright.
Done.
Nice, man.
Yes, man. Well done, man. Me I tell you.
For real.
Just the way we know it, you know, man. Look at that. Look at that.
Just like a yard.
Man. The only thing we're missing is the weather. And just like that, man. Just like that, you see? Just like in a Jamaica. See it there? Well done. Look at that. Man, look at that. Oh, that's no good. Man, the closest thing to Jamaica, and look on it now, man.
Grace.
Grace tomato ketchup, man.
So you sell that here, Soto?
Yes, man. Let me not tell you, man, we have this enough. We have it in the bigger one. We have it in the smaller one. We have it anywhere you want it. You know, remember when Yellow Man say, I like a hot dog? What?
This is what they say to me. I like my hot dog. With what? Grace Jamaican ketchup.
So you know what? A Grace tomato ketchup. Take your time, no man. Yes, man. Look for it. I know Heinz that, you know. Look how we pour. You see it? This is not Heinz. This is the best. Pepper.
A little bit. Yes, and you know the good old sin thing there. You know, we don't have to tell you no how. Look on it good, man. We have them here too. Smaller buckle and bigger buckle too. Just like yard. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, do remember to subscribe, like, and share the video. And make sure you tell a friend and tell a friend. As what we say now, we are bring yard abroad. So remember, I get the yard vibes abroad.